Corona is just the prelims of what is coming.
No rain.
This is Naren conquering communication with you all. No, I'm not a medical doctor. This is not a medical advice, but this is something I think for a lot of businesses. What a lot of businesses are facing right now, the lack of customers because of Corona, is what's going to happen to them in the next 5 to 10 years because of ultra-digitalization. I know digitalization and Corona are not related, but the impact is going to be similar for a lot of businesses. That's what I think. Here's the reason why. Shops don't have shoppers right now. Malls don't have shoppers right now. Multiplexes don't have viewers right now because there's a certain Corona epidemic. But when digitalization comes, they're not going to have shoppers and viewers in multiplexes because everything's going to be with the convenience of being at home. People are going to watch movie releases on Amazon Prime, Netflix, other such apps, and people are going to shop on online platforms because that's going to be so much more pervasive. And the people who have such businesses, now is a great time to start thinking about what you can do different, what you can do differently so that you're ready for what's coming in 5-10 years. In fact, this should come as a great lesson to us, especially all the business owners who are facing the problems of lack of customers right now because of Corona, who can face the same problem of lack of customers because of digitalization. For example, as you know, there's a big company in the US that used to rent out CDs and DVDs for movie, which Netflix has run out of business. Same way I can relate. In my locality, there was a small shop who used to make a lot of money by renting out DVDs of latest movies, and they're totally out of business. The man was lucky enough that he found out another small shop, and he's doing a totally different business right now because digitalization wiped that out. Same ways, stuff like that is going to happen, and this time is a great self-reflection time for such businesses who are facing issues during coronavirus and think digitalization can be a big threat. Much love.